Good day to everyone, especially to the new electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and professional electronics engineers joining the ranks of our nation's licensed professionals today. Let me congratulate each one of you. This is a moment that didn't come easy. I am sure many of you lost sleep, sacrificed time with family, and faced doubts along the way, but you pushed through. You now carry a title that speaks of your skills and discipline, but beyond that, it carries a responsibility. The country needs professionals like you, practical, smart, and grounded, because real change doesn't just come from speeches or slogans. It comes from people who know how to build things, fix what's broken, and make systems work. Whether you're working on national infrastructure, streamlining hospital technologies, improving connectivity in remote areas, or designing solutions for everyday life, your role in nation building is real. Engineers like you are not behind the scenes. You are at the center of progress. I have always supported digital transformation and tech-driven governance because I believe government must serve faster, cleaner, and better. So to our new engineers and technicians, take pride in your work, honor your oath not only with your minds, but with your values. Be good not just at your job, but for the country. As your senator, I have authored 18 laws. I have principally sponsored 90 laws, including 88 laws for the establishment and upgrade of public hospitals. I have co-authored or co-sponsored 190 laws. Bilang chairman ng Senate Committee on Health, tatlo po ang aking naging prioridad. Malasakit centers, super health centers at regional specialty centers. Bilang chairman ng Senate Committee